Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to embed a page post in Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account. Step 2. Go to the page post you want to embed. Locate the post on the page's timeline or in your news feed. Step 3. Next to the page name, click on More. A drop-down menu will appear with additional options. Step 4. Select Embed. This will open a pop-up window with the embed code for the post. Step 5. Finally, click on Copy Code. The embed code will be copied to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully learned how to embed a page post in Facebook on your PC. Share your favorite posts on websites or blogs with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.